Okay, so if you watched my last videos recently for the last couple of problems, you heard me say that there are multiple methods that you can use. You can use the distributive property, like the video that I just showed for 22 and 23. You can use the FOIL method, and you can make a table. Making a table works particularly well when you've got um, trinomials or longer polynomials that you're multiplying together. This is a binomial, 2h minus 5. This is a binomial, 4h minus 3. Okay, this is when you can use the FOIL method, and that's fairly simple, but it gets to be a lot when you have longer polynomials, and sometimes the table method works great. So let's do the table method here. Um, we've got 2h times 4h, 8h squared. Negative 5 times 4h, negative 20h. 2h times negative 3, negative 6h. And negative 5 times negative 3, positive 15. And I'll just write 15. You'll know to make it positive when we add them together. Okay. What we want to do now, though, is we want to say what two terms can be combined. Well, this negative 20h and this negative 6h, they're both h terms. So when we write them together, we will get first the 8h squared. That doesn't get combined with anything. It stays what it is. The negative 20h and the negative 6h become negative 26h. And then the 15 doesn't get combined with anything. It just stays 15. I got to put plus because it's positive, and we need to separate them with a sign. So we've got 8h squared minus 26h plus 15, and that is A. Let's do that one more time. We've got negative 5h times 5h is negative 25h squared. 4 times 5h is 20h. Negative 5h times negative 5 is 25h. And 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. What can we combine together? We can combine these h terms together. 20h and 25h. We're adding them together. So what do we get? We get negative 25h squared, that first term. The 20h and the 25h go together to be 45h. And the negative 20 is there at the end. And where do we see that? Negative 25h squared plus 45h minus 20. We see it again here in position A. But I like this method. I don't know. It's just, it's nice and neat. You get everything's, it's very clear which ones you're multiplying together. You're making sure that everything gets covered. Yeah, I like it.